What is happening, all you lovely people? I am Super Beavey, and I am back with a brand new episode of Mega Modded Tornado Survival. Joining me, well, actually not joining me because this is our series, Given Sumo.
Nah.
So today we are going to be going to the Nether Fortress. Also,
Quick
I'm,
question.
huh?
Did you grab your crossbow?
No, I didn't. Let me go
So
and
over
grab that.
the off camera, I was building tools and I found the fortress. So I will be doing another tool video on a separate world, and Devin will be it will be uploaded to Devin's YouTube channel. So let's go. And I found the fortress.
Okay.
It was about 300 blocks off. I made the place safe.
Was it? Because I know last episode, we were just wandering all over the place. Oh my goodness. What is going on over there?
Scorcher.
Oh, Scorcher? Okay. It sounded as if it was like... Wait,
So,
what? Oh, this... Okay, I was like really confused. Like, is this the Nether Fortress? Did you just rebuild it? No, this is just... No. Okay.
No. Okay, so in this way, so southeast, about 195 blocks that way is the fortress. So follow me.
Because we were searching around for a very long time last episode.
Yeah.
In the Raid the Nether episode.
Devin, you got a chicken out switch to it.
I don't have one.
Well, then you might just want to drop or jump.
Ah, okay, actually that didn't hurt that much.
How much?
Just 4 hearts.
Okay.
Wasn't that bad, really. Oh. Oh wow, this thing has a huge draw speed. Oh my goodness, 6.5 seconds.
I told you it was long.
That's a long reload speed.
But I upgraded mine, and it is now a 4.75 second reload without any of the added modifiers, so like the Nether Star or anything like that.
And Given Sumo will be talking about this when he comes to the when he gets to talking about all the weapons and stuff.
Yeah, I'll be talking about the modifiers. Okay, fire resistance, Devin. Switch to fire resistance something.
All right, apparently you have the cow. Oh. Wait, is it the golden apple cow?
Yep, that's the enchanted golden apple cow.
Oh, the enchanted. Okay, I don't have the enchanted golden apple cow.
Give me a minute. I'm getting cold. Yes, Francis. Yep.
Ow. Oh my goodness.
Okay, sorry about that.
Make sure to cut there.
Yep.
I'm gonna have to get myself an enchanted golden apple cow morph. Ow. 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 Oh, that's you. Ow! Stop being on fire!
That's why I said switch to something with fire resistance.
I don't have anything. Oh, wait. I do have something that is apparently fire resistant.
What are you? Oh.
I'm a fire element, apparently. Oh, I can't fit under here. Because I'm like 3 tall. Oh! Oh no, now your skin is fixed.
Okay, now give me about another few minutes. We'll be heading pretty quickly too, Devin.
Okay. Oh, let me guess. We're gonna, like, just speed run this. Yeah. Oh, that's lava. Oh, that is lava.
Give me a minute. I'm gonna stay as my golden apple cow.
I'm gonna stay as my fire scorcher. Or my, fire element, I should say. Oh, no.
Okay, so we're about 90 meters off.
Are we? Oh, you have it, waypointed? If you did have it waypointed, good for you. That,
You want to collect all the ores that are around. So we have a 3x3 tunnel.
Oh, that's exploding rock!
If you mine up that area quickly, it won't explode.
Exploding rock.
As long as you mine the one with the Oh, that's nether metrolord. Don't worry about that one.
Oh, do we have enough of this?
No, I just don't know what I'll be using it for.
What the heck is this?
Remember blood.
Oh, right.
If you want to mine that block.
What block?
The blocks that I'm standing on.
Oh! Oh.
You use that fast pick, don't you?
I need to the shiny pickaxe mines incredibly quick. Oh, that's exploding rock.
Why do you think I didn't give you Indirium?
Because it mines stuff even faster.
24 speed.
Which one is this one? What oh,
14.
14. Oh my goodness. I thought the fire element was 3 high. Maybe I was another mob. Oh, that's exploding rock.
Are you hearing ambient sounds?
I am hearing ambient sounds, yes. Oh my, are you kidding me?
Half a heart.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, give me a minute. I'm just ditching netherrack.
Yeah, I'm gonna ditch netherrack as well. We don't need it.
And the pile of ashes. I know it takes coal, but we don't need it at the moment.
No, I guess we don't, really. Okay. Actually, you know what? I will use this some of this nether brick or nether rack to tower up to the
Don't. I have a area over here.
Oh, do you have an area?
I already thought of it.
Okay, I'm gonna ditch all this nether rack then. Wee 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 wee. Wee.
Come over here.
Don't pick it up.
Come up where I am.
I'm gonna have to do some like janky parkour.
Oh, and here's the worst thing and the best thing about this.
Huh.
When you get up to the top, it's a 1-block jump.
No, I... Where's the 1-block jump?
All of this is only 1-block jumps to get up.
Yeah.
Look what's
Oh,
right
there's a
in front.
blaze spawner right there.
Yep. Now make sure to kill it with your ultimate sword.
I guess they do get one. They get one-shotted. Oh my goodness.
Nope, that's not also the other thing. There's fortune on this thing.
Oh, really?
Yep, there's fortune on the ultimate sword.
Oh, hey.
Here's the other reason why I wanted to come here.
Nether rack.
Okay, we only need this area. No head.
Uh-huh. I mean, I guess we should just collect all the nether wart we can to build a insanely big farm.
Okay. And, oh, chest.
Oh, really?
Oh.
You're disappointed in what you found, I'm assuming?
Very, very. Golden chest piece, 2 saddles, and 2 pieces of iron.
Oh. Well, Is
Okay,
it...
quick question.
Huh?
You want to go back now that you know where it is. You might want to mark it.
Oh, hey, another chat. 2 diamonds and 3 saddles. 2 diamonds, 3 saddles. We're in this one.
Yep.
Here, I'm gonna waypoint this off, and then, yeah, we can head back. I didn't
Why don't
really...
you
Huh?
Tower. Waypoint the tower that we have.
Okay, I'll go back and waypoint it. There's one of those that was gone. Whee. Oh, hey, blaze. Just blaze. Just blaze. Blaze. Haha, I can become a blaze. Okay. Ooh. Nothing. Or at least not that I know of.
Yeah, nothing. So waypoint right down here.
Oh, don't fall. Okay. Nether fortress. Done. Okay. That's complete. Tunnel. Where's that tunnel now? Oh, wait.
That's my location.
It's still down. And then over here? Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Okay, that's... Wow, I can hear those footsteps in the background. Oh,
yeah.
boy. Oh, explodey rock.
No explosion because I mined it up quickly.
Wow, okay. That was, I like how last episode we ran around for literally hours trying to find one, and then it's like, oh, okay, there's one right there.
Yeah. You know how long after the video I spent searching for this thing?
How long did you spend?
About 4 hours.
About 4 hours after the video?
Yep.
Oh. Are you? Yep. Oh my goodness, I almost died there. Yeah, I can't fit under there. Okay. Did I not, Oh. Right. Okay. What are you getting hit by up there?
Suffocating.
There you go. That should be enough for now. I just see an apple cow just randomly building blocks. That's funny.
You're having a good time about me being a cow.
It looks so silly just seeing a golden apple cow running around, jumping, placing random blocks.
Because I know you do.
Today is a big day.
Devin, you can go hunting if you want.
I might go hunt giants. But first, we have an increasing strengthening thunderstorm, almost just slightly off to the southeast of our base. I'm gonna have to watch out for that. But first
Devin,
up, huh?
You want to I need my sword back.
What are you doing? Oh.
I need my sword back though. You still have my sword.
Oh.
That I accidentally threw on the ground.
There you go. What do I? Well, okay. I'll show them around. So you guys remember this farm before, right? Yeah, the wheat farm, the barley farm, and the potato farm. You guys would recognize that, right?
Them the exit.
Well, we now have another farm over here. We have sugarcane, pumpkins, and carrots here as well. So that's, we have two sets of farms. Also, our old exit is not here anymore. Now we get in and out of our base through this wooden door coming out from the potato and barley farm. Wow, that was a hiccup. And we come down here and it's a water exit and entrance. The reason why you said you did that was because of the tornadoes and stuff, correct?
Yes. I didn't want, because iron doors, buttons, you have to have buttons on, but buttons can be taken.
They can be picked up by...
Water, on the other hand, cannot be.
Nope. Oh, hey, goblins, go away. I remember in the early games, we were scared... Okay. You guys are being really obnoxious right now. Stop.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna go and start getting the ICU2 build.
Go away. Get out of here. Okay, Wait, what? Oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna come back for just a moment, or find some cover here for just a moment. I need to... I'm gonna edit up config, or my, controls here for just a moment.
Yeah.
Where is that? Minimap. 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 Where are you, minimap? Ah, here we go.
So, Devin is most likely going to be starting to go around the area, just looking around. But what I'm going to start is I'm going to be starting doing industrial craft.
Ooh,
Yep.
that's cool.
And maybe next episode, depending on how much mining off camera me and Devin does, because I ain't doing all the mining this time.
No, I'm gonna be
We might be able to get AE2.
Oh, great! Invisible storms. We need to update our weather mod. I remember the invisible storms from this current version of the weather mod. So next episode, we're going to have an updated version of the weather mod, guys.
Yeah, and I'm just slowly going through all this stuff here, trying to get my
Does it still say that on the forecaster? It does. Oh, except it's moving away from us. Okay. And it is a hailstorm. So the sirens are likely going to be going off here pretty soon. Oh, what am I doing? Don't go downstairs. I don't need to go downstairs. Okay, I'm going to go out and do some exploring for a bit, I think. And, yeah, we'll catch up. Well, we won't catch up, but we'll, yeah. Oh, actually, I need to swap over my resource pack as well. 1.10 to V2. There we go. Come on.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to start getting industrial craft going, and I'll set up. Devin, you go have fun, or do whatever you want. Actually, just
guys, the viewers can see what's going on right now. You can't. Oh boy, that was really weird. Oh hey,
what?
I don't. So because of the weather, I had to swap out my resource pack, and the sky just turned red, which was kind of funny.
No, not blood.
The sky turns blood. Ow! Stop! Stop! No, goblins, go away. You do no damage, but there's like 1,000 of you around here. Not exactly, but you understand.
Oh yeah. I think the first thing I'm getting up is the extractor.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah, I just gotta find.
Actually, I'd rather use my shiny bow for this. Like, oh my goodness. The draw speed of this crossbow is so slow. Like, it's painfully slow right now.
Devin, how about this? Instead, you go off mining for redstone. To hunt for redstone.
I will do that, actually. Good idea.
I'll explain for people that haven't played with Tinker's Construct before. Redstone on tools, so pickaxes, hammers, and shovels, and axes, all that other stuff. What it does is it increases the mining speed, but for bows, it decreases draw time.
Which is really good. he might get talk more in detail about that when he comes onto
I will
his.
definitely
Uh-huh.
I'll definitely be doing that. Where is it? Where's what I'm looking for?
Ooh, that'll be your first solo video, won't it?
Yep.
Because I'm not gonna be part of that video.
Oh yeah. I'll just be explaining mostly about all the tool stuff that we have to do.
So you guys on YouTube are gonna get a solo Given Sumo video, which could be cool, or which is gonna be cool. That's a termite troll block. I'm not mining that. Okay.
So, first things that you have to do in the industrial craft mod is get the forge hammer. It has 80 usages, so you'll need a lot of it. A lot of them. Because why? Why? It's because you need them to get forged plates, sorry, which then you need to then use all the other stuff from industrial craft is mostly built by plates. So the copper item casing is made by a plate.
That is true.
If you take an iron plate, you can make the casings.
Okay. No, stop, water. Stop. Stop being a douchebag.
So I will need 10.
Oh, no, I'm not home. I'm just glad there's not...
About that truck that you hear in the background. My window's open. It's way too hot in here.
It is a pretty warm day where we live right now.
Cutters, wire cutters.
For the record, guys watching at home, we live in Canada, so it's.
And here's the funny thing: for once, it's actually warm.
It's like never warm here, though.
Devin hates it. I love it.
What, the warm?
Yeah.
Or the cold? Because I don't like the cold. I like the.
I like warm.
I like warmer temperatures.
I like colder. You know that.
Ow.
Okay.
Stop, termite. Stop being rude.
Yay, fireworks.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh, right. I'm actually going to have to waypoint our house again because I uninstalled this mod pack and installed another one. And because of the installation, I lost my waypoints. So I'm going to have to do that quickly here.
Okay, so I'll need 10 item casings.
Yeah, I'm going to just hang out in the house for right now. Well, actually, I'm not going to hang out in the house. I'm going to go down to that mine area that we have downstairs.
Quick question. How much redstone did you leave me with?
I don't know. None?
We have 25. I need some too. So you'll definitely need to go redstone hunting.
Okay, I'll go do that now then. I am going to have to drop off some stuff though, because my inventory is just full.
Devin, instead of sorting it right now, just go to your room and put it in those chests.
That's right, I'll do that.
Sort off camera.
Yeah, we can sort it off, Cat. You guys watching on YouTube don't want to see us spend 15 minutes sorting stuff, now do you? And I know the answer is going to be no. No, we do not. So, stop it, Beavey. And my response to that is, okay, I will stop.
Yeah. Okay, there are 2 bat boxes now.
Oh, we've got bat boxes now? Running?
Yeah. Which will be running up very soon. I just gotta build an area for it.
Ah, clown! Hey, clown, what's up? Stop. Stop.
Yeah, the one way, if you come anywhere near, if you do come and meet Devin, and I'm near him, if you just say clown, I'm not afraid to punch you. Devin's fear is heights, mine is clowns.
Yeah, Given Sumo has a very, very bad case of the fear of the clowns. Oh, you know what I can do while mining for redstone? I can level up my mining skill.
Mining? You're mining. You're way behind.
Uh-huh. I need to work on that, though. Which I guess I'll do.
What level is it?
Mine right now is 1.
Yeah, versus my 58.
Oh, hey. Found more aluminum ore berry bushes. Which is... Oh.
We don't need any more of those.
Okay, I guess. How do I get down here safely, though? Oh, okay, I guess just like that.
Maybe grab a chicken?
What? Oh, I'm on 13. Okay.
Oh yeah, guys, sorry about the darkness I am going to be putting. That on.
Oh,
that should help you. That should help that out a lot.
Okay, note to self, do a picture-in-picture right now. So that you can actually see, So somewhere on my screen is going to be Given Sumo's point of view. Make note of that for post production.
Yeah, I'm going to be making this for Devin. Next episode, he's going to get it.
Oh, son of a... What is Oh, that's lava. That's why. Okay.
Yeah, so what I've got right now is I've got my traveler goggles on, which I upgraded with the ability to have night vision.
Oh, you've got the night vision?
Yep.
On your traveler's gloves? Yeah, that...
Goggles. The goggles.
That ability is super lit. See what I did there? Oh! Actually, no, I will use this to destroy stuff that I don't want. Like that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that.
Yeah.
And that, I guess, because we don't need any more.
Nah. So, okay, quick question, guys. We're both part of an outfit on Planet Side. I know this is not related to Minecraft, but can you guys leave an answer in the comment section below? Do you want to see some Planet Side 2 videos?
I can... Oh my goodness, what is with all this oil? I'm finding just huge oil reserves down here.
Yeah, that's a pain in the ass.
Anyway, guys, yeah, leave those comments in the description of in the
comment section.
In the comment section of this video, and if you guys do want any PS2 videos, I will be more than willing to provide those.
I am hopefully going to be... It'll most likely be Sundays that will be coming out. Or that we'll be recording on the Emerald server if you want to come and join us.
Uh-huh. That is the US East server.
Yeah, we live in the West Coast. You're gonna say that you're screwing up everything. You won't have the ping. But the reason why we do that is because the US West, sorry, server is very underfunded.
Yeah. Oh, is that a... Please say that's a lava pit down there. It is a lava pit down here. Awesome. Okay. Don't do that again, Minecraft. Jeez, that scared me. Do we need any coal? Like, is coal needed at all?
No, because we can get it from the Nether easier.
Okay.
We just get some ash and put it into an auto crafter.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna...
9 ash will make 1.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow.
9 ash will make 1 coal, which is quite easy to get.
Uh-huh. Raw silicon? Nah, don't care about that right now. Man, I love having the backpack for,
Tinkers?
Tinkers.
I should have given you this. If you want to come back up anytime soon.
Okay, I'm currently mining up redstone right now, though, so...
Yeah, completely understand.
I'm gonna grab this first, because we need it, like, kind of badly.
Yeah, it's the one resource that we do not have much of.
Also, I found a bunch of runium ore as well that I'm gonna grab. More redstone. I'm not sure if we need runium, but I'll grab it anyway. Okay, we need to grab more...
What I'm going to be giving you is more storage.
Oh.
So you might want to come up.
Okay, I'm gonna mine up this last chunk of redstone here, and then I'll come back up. Because there's a bit of redstone down here, and I want to grab it before I come up for you, because you're working on that stuff that needs redstone. Oh!
Yeah. We'll mostly be getting resources. We'll be doing updates on resource gathering, most likely. Every time we, after we're done our mining session, we'll do screenshots of our ores and that, so you can see the difference.
Uh-huh. Some, like, I'm sorry, guys, you probably don't want to be watching me run around collect resources right now, but there are some cases where resource collecting episode has to be a thing. Where if, like, we are in certain need of a certain resources, like, for example, today with redstone, you know.
Yeah, it didn't help that he didn't only gave me, like, an hour heads up that we were playing today.
That's true. That's right, because you were still on planet side, and I kind of just was like, hey, we're recording, by the way. It's like, oh, okay. Ooh, gold ore.
But I'll let you guys know, if you want to friend request us on planet side, it's same names.
Except
mine may not have the numbers.
No, your planet side 2 name does not have the
Yeah, okay, my planet side 2 does not have numbers, so it's just given Sumo.
And mine, depending on what, for those of you guys who do play planet side 2 regularly on the Emerald server, mine is just given Sumo. Mine is Super Beavey and then whatever faction in capital letters. So NC would be capital N, capital C.
Yeah, so when you get up here, look in the last chest.
Oh, hey.
Last bottom diamond chest.
Okay. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, I'm heading back now.
And guys, I might be, over the course of off camera, I will be upgrading our energy. But if there is any time that we're going to do a major upgrade, I will do a fast cam or something like that.
Or I'll do a
update video.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's right. You can, Oh, that's useful. I didn't realize about the hammer.
What?
Is that you can play stuff with the hammer and, like...
You just realized that?
I just realized that.
Yeah, so you can have torches and you're right behind it. You don't need to go to your torch. But I kind of wish we were on 1.8 because, or 1.10, whichever one we had on our Pixelmon server.
Oh, that was 1.10.
Because there's an ability called Lumifiber. It literally, you just put it on, you didn't need to worry about putting torches or anything, have a torch in your inventory. It took some durability off the hammer. And because the hammer has so much durability, like, I'm going to show you.
Oh, I think I know what you're talking about.
30,000 health. I just never bothered repairing it until it was destroyed.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Amethyst ore. I'm gonna collect that.
Oh yeah, guys. Soon, if you guys saw our old series that we had about this, it's going nuclear, I think the
Oh, yes, way back in the day. I remember when we recorded that. Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to be doing the same setup for that one, too.
Also, guys in the comment section, because I know nobody got what that reference was. I'm not going to say anything yet. There's a reference. We're going nuclear. First one in the comment section to write down what reference that's from will get internet points on my YouTube channel. And
also maybe a shout out.
And a shout out as well. You will get a shout out. Absolutely a shout out. If you can get that reference correct. Cuz it is a reference. Not going to say which one, but so comment.
I'll give you guys some hints on this, okay? The reference is from a kids show early 2000s, late 90s.
That's all the hints you're going to get, folks. If you think you know which one it is, if you think you know what show it is, then comment down in the comment section below, and I'll give you a shout out if you're right. I hear a clown again. Go away. Also, I am here with redstone for you.
Fire.
Huh?
Kill it with fire.
Kill it with fire. Okay. Is there a fire gun in what part of these mods? Also, here's redstone for you.
Just put it into the chest that I got open.
Boop. Boop. There you go.
Okay, so you see the hardened satchel in there? Go back into that one.
Here?
Yeah, take it.
Ooh. So what, do I just replace the,
No. You keep it. That now gives you... Put it in your hand. Open it by right-clicking.
Uh-huh.
That's an extra 2 or 3 slots, I think.
Ooh. That's fancy.
But keep it in your knapsack. That did take me a long time to get.
Okay, I'm actually gonna have to like grab some stuff from my knapsack and start, sorting, or not sorting, but I'm just gonna.
If it's your private stuff, just put it to your chest.
Well, there's a lot of ores that are included in here as well. So, again,
yeah,
I'm not. We'll be doing sorting off camera, because I know you guys don't want to see that. I know for a fact that you guys just don't want to see us sorting for however long. I know whenever I watch Minecraft YouTube videos, I hate
sorting's no.
Uh-huh. It's a pain. Anyway.
Yeah. Electrolyzer, compressor. Can't get that yet.
Okay, there we go. Okay, yeah, everything is secure.
I need a lot of redstone.
Do you need a lot of redstone? Do you need more than that, or? Yes,
a lot more.
Okay, I'll,
If you want to go and do something else, we'll get redstone off camera.
Okay, yeah, I think that's enough mining for right now.
Yeah, because that will last me a little bit of time.
Yeah. I'm gonna go out and do some exploring then.
Okay.
Or at least attempt to do some exploring. There's like no clouds in the sky right now. We're probably gonna need to update our weather mod, because I don't think storms are quite working out. So guys, next time you will likely see you'll likely see us running the newest version of the weather mod on 1.7.10 in the next episode.
Yeah.
Which is like 2.17 or something like that. I don't know. We'll get it sorted out for next time, though.
There's another achievement.
I hear the neighbor's dog on your,
Annoying.
again, windows are open because it's warm out.
Yeah, for you guys living in the States, you may not get this, but you'll have to convert it to Fahrenheit. It's about 20 above, and I much prefer the temperature below 0.
Uh-huh. Which, you're weird. Guys, like this video if you think Given Sumo is weird for liking it cold.
Hey, I get paid a lot in cold weather. So I'm alright with the cold.
Oh, that sucks, actually.
What sucks, Devin?
I'm too big
For what?
to get through the door.
What are you? Where are you, Devin?
I'm in the tunnel. I'm a lizard. Ow.
Okay, so there's 6 generators.
Hey, you know what? The lizards do get water breathing. They don't have to come up to the air for surface to breathe. Oh, is this where you're gonna put the generators and stuff?
Yep. This is going to be our basic IC2 power. We're going to have the geothermal plants and everything like that. Basic power.
Well, now that it's nighttime, wow, we've been recording for 50 minutes or so. Oh, jeez. Guys, I hope you like lots of multiplayer Mega Modded Tornado Survival, because each episode is likely going to be quite long like that.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. We'll see if we can cut any of the stuff out that we can't use.
Oh, I
When
could,
When there's nothing happening or something like that.
oh, jeez. 2 thunderstorms just popped up on radar. Guys, shall I take you outside and talk to you guys about the abstract science of thunderstorm production? Is that something that you guys even care about? I bet most of them are going to be like, no, don't do that.
Okay, so we got our generators all going with a single block of coal.
Ooh.
Just want to see how much power. That's why I set up 1 here.
Uh-huh. Well, we're likely going to hit 40,000 thing in the bat box before the coal is run out, likely.
Yeah, and it's gonna overflow and not gonna.
And we're about to hit 40,000 and 40,000.
Advanced RE batteries. I need sulfur and lead dust.
Lead.
Devin, if you want to search AE2, there's a grinder, I think it is called. If you want to just search up AE2 stuff, at AE2. It
Can
should
you
be
do that
grinder
at
and crate.
AE2?
Yeah, I think.
Pattern encoder, crystal growth chamber, advanced inscriber. Yeah, that's all the AE2 stuff that I get up. Oh, AE2 stuff.
Yeah, I just need AE2 itself.
What's the block called, or what's the thing called?
Quartz grindstone. I need one of those.
Oh my.
What?
Actually, no, I think we might have enough. Never mind. I think we're gonna have enough stuff to build that.
Are you needing Certus quartz?
I'm needing 3 Certus quartz, 5,
Flint?
no, cobblestone maybe. I think that'll work. It keeps, oh no, yeah, 5 cobblestone, and then a wooden gear, but wooden gears are easy to make.
I just placed the 5 cobblestone in one of the things.
Is that 5? That is not 5. Do you not know how to count correctly?
That is 5.
1, 2,
That's
3, 4.
5.
Okay. Maybe I do not know how to count correctly. Okay. Like that. And then...